In a tragic incident triggered by pool violence, a BJP worker was killed and 3 others sustained critical injuries in an alleged clash between the BJD and BJP workers in Odisha's Ganjam district on Wednesday. A few BJD workers allegedly launched a deadly attack on the supporters of the BJP while they were putting up party banners as part of electioneering at Sri Krishna Saranpur village under Khalikot block in the district. The attack left 4 BJP workers critically injured and one of them succumbed during treatment at MKCG hospital in Berhampur. A relative of the deceased BJP worker Dilip Pahan alleged involvement of late Khalikot Queen V. Sugnana Kumari Deo's nephew in the murder of Pahan. Tension escalated on Thursday when people launched protest in front of Khalikot police station demanding arrest of all the accused involved in the alleged murder of the BJP worker. Police resorted to lathi charge to disperse the protesters and consequently there was stone pelting from the other side as well. As per the allegation by the BJP supporters, they were earlier working as BJD workers. However, they joined BJP following the death of Khalikot Queen. Speaking on the incident, the BJP workers alleged that the supporters of the ruling party used to oppose them during various activities and around 25 bike-bound BJD workers attacked them with sharp-edged weapons while they were putting up saffron party banners in their area. In response, Odisha's Chief Electoral Officer Nikunja Bihari Dhar has directed Ganjam District Collector and Election Officer to take immediate measures to stop any kind of violence and bring peace in the region. BJD Supreme and Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik condemned the pool violence incident in Ganjam and said such incidents of violence have no place in our democracy and civil society. BJP's National Vice President Bhaijant Panda has also strongly condemned the pool violence in Khalikot and termed it a heinous act of the ruling party to turn democracy into gangsterism. Panda further alleged that the BJD has resorted to violence fearing defeat in the elections, adding that people of Odisha will not tolerate this and this time they'll give a befitting reply to the BJD.
एक खबर आई है गंजाम जिले में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की कर्मकर्ता को जानलेवा हमला हुआ, उनको हत्या भी किया गया। ओडिशा की गृह मंत्री स्वयं मुख्यमंत्री है। मैं उनको निवेदन करना चाहता हूं, हाथ जोड़ के निवेदन करना चाहता हूं, आप 24 साल शासन में रहे, अगर लोग आपको प्रश्न पूछते हैं आप गुस्से में आके लोगों को मरवा रहे हो, ये आपकी शासन की सफलता नहीं है। बिजू जनता दल की गुंडाओं के माध्यम से प्रतिपक्ष की हत्या करना ये प्रजातंत्र विरोधी मनोवृत्ति का लक्षण है। इससे नवीन बाबू उनकी पार्टी निवृत्त रहे, नहीं तो लोग उनको और जोर से हराएंगे।